Hi Kiran. Wish you a very 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 happy birthday. And do you remember 3 years ago on this day? You remember the surprise I gave you? Getting out of the taxi and getting inside because you saw me, you caught my surprise. And you remember on this day, I you remember the time that I gave you the watch, and I went down on my knees and I wished you. I asked you actually, would you marry me? Do you remember the song I sang for you? So yeah, I mean it's not just your birthday today, but it's a celebration of 3 years of us being together, from the time you said yes, and I really, 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 really love you. If you could just let me be, I could maybe just quickly send you a nice video, but this is the best at the moment that I can do. And I mean, you know, I keep telling you how much I love you every day, but I'd say that you've given me that feeling that I haven't got before. I still get butterflies in my stomach when I see you sometimes. um, I'd say that you've given me that feeling that I haven't got before. I still get butterflies in my stomach when I see you sometimes, all of a sudden, and you're the best room partner that I have. I mean, you're still, you know, the innocence that is in you is the best thing about you, and I would fall in love with you not just when I met you, not just when I saw you, not just when we were dating, not just when we got married, but I have millions and millions and millions of reasons to fall in love with you every day, and you know that. I keep telling you that, and just be the way you are. Don't change. Don't turn out to be something that I don't want you to be. And no matter what happens to you and where life takes you, you know that I'll always be next to you, holding your hand, and always telling you that I love you, and I'll always be with you no matter what. So again, coming back to your birthday, I want to wish you again happy birthday, my Bangaru. And you're the best thing that ever happened to me. And I love you. Bye.
Hi Shetty, you must be wondering कि प्रियंका ने क्यों पहन के रखा है, but this is to remind you that your birthday in the year 2020, your 33rd happy birthday, came during the lockdown, and this is how we all were, wearing masks. So go Corona, go, and this is a little tribute to you Shetty, that we all love you and you are an amazing person. Hope you enjoy. Happy lockdown birthday. Bye.
Many happy returns of the day, Shetty, from me and Zenita. Really have a very nice day. Make some memories this year. And one more thing, make sure that you cut the cake and put it on Nisha's face without forgetting. Have a blast, bro. God bless. Take care, yeah? Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shetty. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, bro. Bro, I remember those times when it was just you, me, one bottle of whiskey, ice, sausages, and movies. Oh, those nights, baby. Missed those nights, baby. Right until Nisha came and she took all my love from Abu Dhabi. The one and only love I had here, man. But miss you, bro. Miss you. You have a beautiful day. Love you. Take care. God bless. Sweet.
You better get real and realize the situation's going nowhere. Assalamu alaikum. Kifalik ya habibi. Happy birthday, Shetty. Hope you're having a good day and many more to come. So God bless. Take care and we party hard once this lockdown is over. Have a nice quarantine birthday, buddy. Yalla. Be safe.
Hi Shetty, happy birthday.
As a gift,
We pray and ask God that you should get a small Shetty and not a
D'Souza. Miniature Shetty.
Yes, enjoy your birthday
And have a blast.
and don't forget us.
Cheers.
Please like, subscribe and share.
Good morning, SHETTY. Shetty wishing you a very, very happy birthday. May you live to be 103 and hope you are driving on the top gear because it is gonna be Thursday night. We have to go on the roadside and do ulti omelette. Shetty wishing you happy birthday once again. Take care. Grand salute.
डू यू नो, देखो मलाड में कुछ भी चाहिए ना, मलाड, मिर्च चौकी, मालवनी, मैं हूँ। एवरशाइन का डॉन कौन? किरण शेट्टी। कहीं पे भी कुछ भी फाइट होगा, एक ही डायलॉग, एवरशाइन का डॉन कौन? किरण शेट्टी।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shetty. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Shetty. Oh my god, I don't even remember the day I met you. But we just happened, right? You, me, and Priyanka. And like, what days? From cake fights to breakups, and all these girls wants to be friends with us because they want to know who is Kiran Shetty, who's this good looking guy roaming and stuff like that. But yeah, what days? R&Rs, movies, birthday hikes, dinners, drinking parties. Oh my god, like what fun. I just literally miss those days. Remember the sleepover at Priyanka's house when I was so cranky and you were so annoyed with me, but you still stood by me and you were still there for me. Thank you so much for that. Shetty, I miss you and I think I miss both of you. I wish we could be together again. And I never thought, that हम लोग 3 different directions में रहेंगे. Remember our retirement plan? Like being all of us together at the old age home Priyanka ke ghar, like that big flat. Oh my god, I miss you, but I'm happy for you. I feel you're more settled, you're even more happier, and I think Nisha is the best thing which happened to you after us. But yeah, she's lovely. So happy birthday, Shetty, and I just want you to know that I love you, I miss you, and I hope we can be together, like we 3 can be together and doing our usual masti, and maybe Nisha can be a part of it, going clubbing, drinking, just acting all crazy. Yeah, but thank you for being there always, and thank you for being my friend and all the good memories and good times we had. I miss you so much. Have an awesome day. I'm sure Nisha would have planned all the things to spoil you, so there's no doubt in it, and I'm sure you'll be having a ball. Miss you, love you. Bye.
सलाम वालेकुम, वल्ला हबीबी, आई डोंट नो व्हाट दैट मीन्स, बट आई एम श्योर वहाँ पे लोग बोलते होंगे. सो मलाड से आबू धाबी से दुबई. किरण, यू हैव बीन अ रॉक स्टार. सीरियसली, तूने इतना अच्छा काम किया है. इट्स ओके, अभी थोड़ा मार्केट डाउन चल रहा है, बट यू हैव एन अमेजिंग वाइफ, अ लवली हाउस, एंड एन एक्सेलेंट कार, एंड एन अमेजिंग लाइफ स्टाइल. सो येस, बहुत सारा नाम कमाना, बहुत सारा पैसा कमाना, वी ऑल आर विथ यू. फैमिली दूर है, इट इज़ ओके. बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं, उनकी बेस्ट विशेज़ हैं. एंड यू हैव एन अमेजिंग वाइफ एंड यू आर एन अमेजिंग पर्सन योर सेल्फ. सो येस, द बेस्ट विशेज़ ऑलवेज विथ यू. बाय.
हैप्पी वाला बर्थडे शेट्टी.
Hi Kiran, happy birthday. The fondest memory I have of ours together is when we used to wait for our work to get over to go and party somewhere. I really miss those old times, and I'm sure you're going to party somewhere tonight. All the very best, and God bless you.
मैं वही सोची थी दर्शिता की वीडियो के बाद. आई डोंट नो हाउ वी बिकेम फ्रेंड्स. आई थिंक यू एंड दर्शिता वर डेस्टिन्ड टू track me and come after me and be friends with me, because I don't remember coming and talking to you all. So you all have, I'm glad you all did, but I think you all have just been after me and then you all wanted to be friends with me. Another thing, yes, about you, there are so many things we've taught you, my God. BBM Messenger. So that was the time when we've been friends since what, almost 15 years. And yeah, Nisha, do you know one thing? The reason I think we used to tolerate him more was because he used to give us a boy's mindset or a male instinct towards things, you know, with Darshita and me and our own issues in life and stuff like that with our boyfriends or whatever. So he was the one who used to keep us sane and give us a very neutral picture. So that's worked very well and good. Yes, we've been over people all our 3 lives. We've seen people come and go and glad. So one thing I know is whenever he would tell me, okay, Priyanka, you know what, मेरे को बता कि अब मैं ring buy कर रहा हूँ निशा के लिए, and I'm like, oh God, no, Shetty, please don't jinx it, don't. And I'm glad that you all are here. So yes, very happy for you, Kiran, in every possible way. You make us proud. तेरे को देख के हमेशा हमको smile आता है, and we'll always hope the best for you. Yeah, like Goa has always been a dream. You, me, Kasa, Darshita, we always think that हमको कहीं साथ में जाना चाहिए. And I always think that Jet Airways, like they lost a big thing when I would always tell you कि you have to get through Jet and all that. You would tell me नहीं मेरा उंगली टेढ़ा बेड़ा, they didn't take me and stuff. I used to play volleyball in school. But yeah, I'm glad for things, all the series of events that happened in our lives. That's how we all could meet. Yeah, BBM Messenger is what we all came on together. The rickshaw rides, my God, do you still take 2 hours to get ready? You know what, Nisha, he used to get ready. ऐसे एक तो 5 बजे सो के लेट उठता था. He knew कि अभी next day प्रियंका के घर जाना है. So he and Darshita and we would have fights. Darshita would say ट्रेन में जाना है, पैसा सेव करना है, and he would say रिक्शे में जाएंगे. And I would keep fighting. I would call his house, call him, उठ जल्दी निकल. So yeah, and his craze for Manchester United, my God, all these छोटा things remind us of you. And yes, we hope the best for you. Thank you. Bye.
शेट्टी मेरा भाई, विश यू many happy returns of the day. सॉरी, थोड़ा अच्छा डेकअप होके एकदम तेरे को नहीं मैसेज कर रहा हूँ, मल्टीटास्किंग कर रहा हूँ, and I really don't want to get caught and pay your birthday gift to some cop here. So wish you many happy returns of the day. I am sure that you will rock and you have a great happy married life as well. Bye bye.
मेरे यार, तेरे फ्रेंड्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड, तेरी एक्स, तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली, क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली.